What part of me can you see right now in that camera? This. Look at me, how I can look stoned.
Oh shit!
Arey yaar.
So Kritesh went outside to chill with my mom because
No, we went to Netherlands.
Oh, done. Roast me, guys.
I'm Kritesh. I did it.
Wow.
I did it.
Uncle, hi.
Not do anything like that. You can do that with Kritesh and Karan. Just.
Oh my god, I'm roasted.
I scheme. कुठे जायचं आहे?
Unless we keep it like this.
ये मुंबई का रोड है, अमेरिका नहीं है कि फ्लैट चलते रहेगा सब. Where are we going?
Anywhere. I just wanna
Anywhere.
get out.
Look at him.
अच्छा
Look
पीछे.
at the way he's standing with his clothes on. हाँ, अपना टाइम आएगा. What is this laughter?
अपना टाइम आएगा.
गा दो ना पूरा. बरसरे खरे.
Uncle, hi. Hi.
I think he's gonna kill someone. Not do anything like that. You can do that with Kritesh and Karan. Just. You see, he has this crane. He can just bash us with that crane.
Oh shit.
Like
Oh.
that. What are they or?
Did they even get in the camera?
No.
That's sweet. Wait, that was so sweet, Mandari. तर त्या माणसाने हाय ना बोललं तर त्या बाईक वाल्या माणसाने हाय बोललं. असे that's why that like restores my faith in humanity. How do I say that in Marathi? Like humans खूप चांगले असतात basically. You just have to find the right ones. That uncle also you want to say hi? चल सिग्नल झाला. कभी like thank God सिग्नल झाला.
पीछे बैठा ला. What is this laughter? This time, you better when you are editing this, you better add some sound effect or some picture when you are laughing, and not me. Every time you add some crow or some balloon.
But just like
What is that balloon?
like that. Yeah, you were, and then you're like gak, gak, gak. That's how you were laughing.
शिमला मिर्ची का डेकर आया.
You're in the car, na?
Last time you took 30 minutes, huh, Kabir? Remember?
Where?
You had come, no? And then I was in the car, it was raining outside. And then you went to repair something. It was near Lower Parel, near Phoenix.
Oh, JBL speaker, JBL.
And then you took like...
रोकड़ा मेंशन किया यार वीडियो में. पैसा तो रोकड़ा तो.
Hey, go vlog, you know.
Are you mad?
Please, Kabir, imagine. You just go in the... Hi, uncle. Hello, can you repair my watch? Just go.
I scheme.
The way he's like this, he's like,
Who?
That uncle, he's like, chalo.
I'll quickly come back in a minute.
Anxiety that this
In a minute, he's gonna fix this in a minute.
Or I'm gonna ask him if I can drop in and take it later. Until what time he's open? Oh my god, I'm talking like Ananya Pandey. Oh my god, I have to get up. Sorry. Oh my god, I have to get down. Yeah, in this place it's so dirty. I have to go repair my watch. मैं actually मेरे tongue को मेरे nose तक touch कर सकती हूँ. It's my talent.
She's so cute though. She's very cute.
She's very pretty. She's very cute.
COVID-19.
अपना mask पहन. Good. But this Kesha.
I don't listen to all this. For all these malls now. They are a.
That's good. It's so bad.
You can sing this part? Can you? That fast part? This is the one.
This one is for the boys with the boom assistant, top down AC with the coolest system.
गाड़ी हिल रहा है पूरा.
Song reminds me of Kabir.
Can't sing. See, one line I sing and look at this. I can't sing anything. I start singing and tears start rolling out.
Guys, we're at Woli Sea Face.
I want you to listen to one song and tell me what you think. Like khul ke jeet. Just listen to the song and tell me what you think. I kind of understood later like the actual meaning of this song. You know, this area has a lot of like gundas and mafias and like drugs and all this underworld people.
So,
Like there have been moments where they've just shot people like that. Like kids playing with guns have just shot in the car.
so why are we here?
What part of me can you see right now in that camera? This.
Give here my bottle.
I haven't clicked till now. Did you want your hand as well? Because it's too much.
Go थोड़ा पीछे.
It's recording. Hello. Hello.
हेलो कौन बोल रहा है?
आप बताओ कौन बोल रहा है? आप सोचो कौन बोल रहा है?
पोत्रा
हाँ? कौन?
पोत्रा पोत्रा
हाँ जी. कैसे हो आप?
हाँ जी आप पोत्रा है ना?
हाँ जी मैं खुश कबीर ही हूँ मैं.
कबीर है ना?
हाँ जी.
हाँ किससे बात कर रहे हो आप? कभी
मैं आशना से
के घर में हो?
हाँ मैं मिलने आया।
अच्छा, आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
ठीक हो, आ जाना मेरे घर। अभी आज नाती चली जाएगी, फिर आना।
Kabir is talking about how amazing my lighting is. The lighting here is just bomb. So he's taking selfies. Now he's put the phone in his pocket. ठीक है, done.
Can I keep my hair down like this? Just ready my hair like down.
No.
Oh.
No.
What about three?
Yeah, you do. Everybody loves your eyes, but your eyes.
People say that I look stoned all the time.
Yeah, you look. Yeah, that's what I mean. Sorry. You look.
मेरी आँखें. See, I'll actually tell you. Just look at this. Huh? Now this is me normal. Now look at me. How I can look stoned.
Oh shit! Do it again. Oh shit!
No, I'll have to see it.
Acha, okay, wait. Ready?
Wait, so this is normal, and then stone.
Holy! Do it again, Kabir.
Huh? Okay, so this is normal. Normal. Stone. Normal. Stone.
Oh shh! That's insane.
No, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you how I figured. So in some short film in college only, I remember my expression was a bit like that. Like I was sitting like that, a little serious and all that, and they were like, "You look stoned." And that's when I figured when I keep my eyes like that, a little serious, and I look stoned. Like I don't know. मेरी आँखें बहुत प्यारी हैं, मैं बहुत शर्माता हूँ.
Go, let's do a take your pic.
Let's take my pic. Are you also coming to take a pic? Just one more. Just all the
Guys, tell me if I'm wrong, but Kabir could have totally starred in Jagga Jasoos instead of Ranveer. And Jagga Jasoos released on my birthday, by the way.
Wait,
2 years
you want to
ago.
see Jagga Jasoos?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
4, 3 only, no?
3
4
only.
again.
There's
So
one
after
person
4
taking their GMAT. There's 4
After
people
5,
studying for the
here.
GMAT.
Starting from power 1.
We are going to explain 2 ways. You decide which one you like.
Oh.
This is
Unit
more
place is
relevant.
Yeah, yeah, understood.
So you give her one test. This all you.
Oh god.
I gave you an easy sound.
अरे यार.
What are you laughing?
I just realized.
4. Right? Because you're 22.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
No.
No, it repeats after.
No, wait.
Repeats after 2, no?
Wait.
Yeah.
5 are 20.
It repeats after 2, so it's even
You're
number.
right.
You
Just be
take the odd
confident.
number. It repeats after 2, correct?
So pick the odd number. Odd
Pick
digit.
the odd, either this or this.
Oh, 4, yeah.
Four.
Yeah. Got it. Okay, can we like have fun now?
Yeah, you can have fun.
Thank you.
This is like Kashnan school.
Can I go now?
I'll stop.
That's your phone?
Yeah,
That's her phone.
This is-
She's a savage. Look. No screen guard, the screen broken, no charger.
That's metal. Just metal.
Whatever.
Again.
Yeah, bro. शांति से थोड़ा stress होने लगा numbers बाबा.
So Kritesh went outside to chill with my mom because
No, we went to Netherlands.
Oh yeah,
It was the Netherlands in COVID situation.
Oh, very bad. How irresponsible Kritesh and my mom.
You're doing maths is irresponsible.
Basically, he just got bored and then he went to Netherlands with my mom.
Yeah.
They were watching Netherlands on
How
YouTube.
cute.
Cute.
Did they reply to your Snapchat email? Or didn't you also? You only didn't reply.
I know why you're going to Chapman with your online class.
Bro, after I freaking paid for everything after like I thought
प्यार का कोई distance नहीं होता.
I'm gonna stop this.
Pen and like no double line.
No, no.
You do it.
अरे try ना. But do it.
Oh no, double lines also.
और करो जी मैट.
I did it.
Wow.
Oh.
I did it.
Shit. Oh god, that's all confidence, okay?
I did it.
Shut up. I missed only one line.
I didn't knew this.
I did it.
Shut up. Yeah, see, it ends here only. One line remains. You can do it or what? Show.
Can you do this also?
No, first you show this one.
No.
No, first you show this.
There's one more.
Do it again, slowly.
No, एक
Okay, do it once more. I didn't see. Okay, I got on camera, so I can slow mo it and see it
Can you do this?
without the same.
Yeah, same.
Sure.
See.
I did it.
Oh, this is easy. Wait, let me try this.
My niece messaged you when I called her the other day. She's like, "Where's the
Yeah,
other
yeah,
Fia?"
yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
The other Fia's here.
Hi, Hia. I love you, Hia. Oh, she loves me. Love you. Oh.
Hi.
You also say love you.
क्या हुआ मेरे साथ? Wow, Dati.
I did it. Where does it start?
Ashna, what are you doing?
So Kritesh has told me to write. I mean, draw
Bluetooth is off, no?
in 3 minutes.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so weird. I was so
What?
confused, dude.
What plants am I watching? Wanna watch it?
He's so. Anyway, so Kritesh told me to draw a man smoking a cigarette using numbers.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Oh, Dharti did it. What was that? You did
I
it.
don't
huh?
confuse you. I know.
One. I saw 1 and 3.
What is this?
It was like.
Hey.
Oh, 1, 2,
5.
5. What is this letter?
No.
5.
No, this is 9. 6 has to be the head. I know 9 is the cigarette.
Yeah, correct. Very good.
ऐसा नहीं है वो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, I did. I forgot all of this.
Oh.
5. Huh?
This is very. You're such a meme. Oh, it's so.
London.
Huh?
Oh shit, sorry.
10, 11.
ऐसा 11 नहीं है.
And everyone agreed. I only realized that I didn't say it further. I was literally gonna complete your sentence.
I completed the sentence.
Stayed together. Oh yeah, you all two stayed together.
It just came out. Send your pick under the bed. So the guy holds a belt upper. He's like, I'm under the bed. Get it?
You're so funny, Kritesh. Oh, finally! You have some light in life. You're exposed to the truth. I'm happy. She roasted you, basically. Like, you're just gone. Kritesh, today is your roasting day.
Oh, done. Roast me, guys.
I'm Kritesh. 4/10.
4/10, bro! Oh my god, I'm roasted. Please, surprise.
4/10, bro!
4/10, bro!
I don't know how to roast, yeah. Dharti roasted, no. That comes at the moment.
I can't roast the pakamat. Get it?
Yo. Get it, guys. Get my jokes. Get my lame jokes, guys. Only Ashna's laughing in the background as always.
I'm laughing on the statement of Ashna.
Dharti is literally always confused when I'm laughing on Kritesh's jokes.
You're the best, bro.
Guys, we're just having a study session. Dharti's attending a lecture and she's been laughing. Apparently her professor is very funny. I just hear like her giggling. I'm just studying for the GMAT. So I'm taking my exam on the 11th and today is the 9th of August and I'm leaving on the 14th. See, there we go. There we go. Dharti's.
He is adding.
What?
I'm just making jokes.
About
Just
everything.
making jokes. There's a long story.
Okay, that's fine. Thanks. I'm good. I've taken 4 practice tests and I feel like I don't want to overstudy. But yeah, I just took a little nap while Dharti was attending her online lecture. That's it. That's the update. Cute.
Thanks.
Oh, another update, that wall clock looks like an actual watch.
Wow. Wow.
It does. When I first saw it, I was like, oh my god, I'm impressed. It looks like a watch. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Oh, and there's a cute teddy bear.